Okay, let's get started with Google Drawings. So from the bibliothèque page, you're going to want to open up the library blog and look for the link that says Google Drawings Bookmark Template. So click on that. Now this is a view-only document. So you will need to make a copy to edit this to make it your own. And to do that, you click File and Make a Copy. Say OK. And now, if this image is still here, you want to get rid of that so you can make it your own. So you can click on it, and then the blue box comes around it. So you can just hit your backspace or delete key to get rid of it. And now you have a nice clear template to make it your own. Now this bookmark is vertical or portrait. You can use it in this format, or you can change it. To change it and make it horizontal or landscape, you want to go to File, go all the way down to Page Setup, and you want to click, make sure Custom is clicked, and change the numbers so 9.84 comes first and 3 comes second. And click OK. And now you have the horizontal format. Now you can start adding text box and shapes to create your own bookmark. If you already have an image in your Google Drive, you can insert that. So go to Insert Image, or from here, Insert Image, go to Drive, look on the right, you can see what you've done recently. So I just downloaded this image. I'm not really going to use this, but I'll just drag it into my bookmark, and I can start adding a text box. And double click into type it. Reading is awesome. I can triple click on that, and maybe I want to center it, and I want to align it so it's in the middle. I want to make the text a little different. I like Comic Sans. I want to make it bigger. I want to make it bold. There you go. You can also add some shapes. You change the color by clicking on the paint bucket. And you can make it as big as you want. You can make the line color a little bit different like they did in the video. And let's see, tap it again. Maybe I want to make it a little thicker because I can't really see it. So I change it to 8 point. There you go, nice and thick. And you can add all kinds of other shapes too. I like the callouts. I like the other shapes. Make whatever you want. And let's make him yellow, because most smiley faces are yellow. So there you go. Make sure you change the name. And that way you can find it later on in your Google Drive if you want to edit it some more, or if you want to print it out. And that's it. Watch the Google Drawings tutorial as many times as you need to, right here, until you get used to the program. Be creative and have fun.